Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Obada and I'm a 5th year medical student studying here in London. On this channel, I talk about the best strategies and ways of leading a more productive and efficient life. So today's a bit different because I purchased some new products to up my YouTube game. So without further ado, let's go. So here we got the camera. This is the latest release from Sony, the Sony ZV-E10. And what's cool about this camera is that its lens is interchangeable. This means you can buy up to 60 different lenses. And for whatever reason, if you decide to sell the camera in the future, the lenses will be compatible with future Sony cameras. So in the box, you get a microphone windshield, a battery, a USB-C charging and sync cable, which is pretty nice, a wall adapter, and some instructions that no one really reads. Aside from that, I went on to buy a 128GB SD card, which to be honest should be sufficient for me. I also purchased one of the best prime lenses out there, the Sony 20mm G f1.8 lens. Now this set me off a few pounds, but I think it was worth it. If you don't know what prime lenses are, I'm definitely going to be doing an article on my blog talking about the difference between prime lenses, zoom lenses, and the rest of the lenses basically. And I'll be making a video for that soon as well. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description below for my website. I also bought a high quality micro tripod for the camera. If you're curious why I bought a small one or a big one, it's because these days I record most of my videos on a table. Therefore, if I bought a big one, the angle would look very weird. So I just purchased a small one. So far, it's been really good quality and hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays like that. If you're interested in any of the prices of the products that I'm talking about or where to get them from, again, everything's going to be in the description below. Now, I don't consider myself an expert videographer, but I've definitely learned a few things over time. Now, I started off my YouTube channel using my iPhone most of the time, and if you're on a really tight budget, I think that would do plenty. It will do wonders, in fact. But recently, I've realized not being able to see myself and frame myself is definitely a barrier. I've been using Cam Studio, which has helped a lot, and this is a software that is available for free and you can upgrade for like £12 or something. However, you know, buying a new iPhone for over £1,000 is not really worth it for me. I'd rather invest that in a camera where I can upgrade the lenses over time. So that's kind of really why I went with a Sony option. So some of the cool features of this camera is that it has a one-touch control for background blurring. So there's no need to do any complicated manual adjustments. Literally with one click, you blur the background, bokeh if you know what that is, and it turns it on. Click it again and it focuses on everything and it just looks amazing. It also has an S&Q mode, which stands for slow and quick. This means it can record videos up to 4 times slower and record videos up to 60 times quicker if you want to do those hyperlapse videos. It's also got an amazing feature called Product Showcase. Shout out to all my makeup artists out there. This means if you got a lipstick, a phone, any product that you want to show, it literally quickly shifts the focus from your face to the product in a split second. And lastly, another little fun feature that they added is the adjustable soft skin mode, which means your face doesn't look as harsh and it kind of softens your skin. Not that I've been needing it. No. That's it for today, guys. This was just a quick unboxing of some of the products that I purchased. If you're interested in a more in-depth review, leave it in the comments below and hopefully I'll make a video on that soon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do give a like and click on the subscribe button if you want to watch more videos like this. And don't forget, my new blog is out. I've got new articles coming through and I'm planning on selling some of my pre-med medical notes. So if you're interested in that as well, do check it out. Other than that, if you've got any suggestions for any videos, leave it in the comments below and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.